Everyone. So in this video, I will discuss about a very important Python interview questions like means what is the difference between the shallow copy and the deep copy, the shallow copy versus the deep copy in the Python. So let's understand for the theory part, and I will go through some examples real with real examples how to differentiate between the shallow copy and the deep copy. All right. So first understand that is the what is the shallow copy in the Python. So shallow copy is nothing but is a create a copy of object, but reference each element of the object. It means that it point to reference to the same variable but hold a different memory address. I will show you with the example, so it will be clear more. And deep copy is, it means it create a copy of object with reference of your element of the object. So by theoretical, it might be chance that you could not get the properly, but when I will show the example, it will be clear very. So let's start. I'm opening my Jupyter notebook. Uh, I have already installed it. So and we can go for desktop. And in the desktop, I'm creating one Python notebook. So let's first create one example is equal to 20 comma 10 comma 30 and on create like 40 and 60 second list and next a second list and a print list. Okay, so this is the means list. This is the means this is nested list. So and so suppose for the means dealing with with the copy and the deep copy, we have to import one module, import copy, enter, and I am just creating one variable shallow list is equal to copy dot copy and the variable lst print shallow list. Okay, so now the original list and the shallow variable list is the same now because we have not done any modification so far. So, but before go further, we will understand the reference point of view. So, like reference is just hold the memory address for the variable. So, and for the checking the memory address for the variable, we use one keyword that is called ID. So ID is the keyword for to check the memory address for a variable. ID of LST. So if the ID for the LST variable is the 320 last, and ID for shallow LST, this is the means this is different 392. They have both same type of object, means the same. I have the same value. Uh, this list and this list, but they hold a different memory address. So this is the point of the reference point of object. If we make any changes in the original list or the copy list, so it will be reflect to each other. So suppose I am just making one modification for the original list. So like LST of, so this index will be 0, 1, 2, and this is the like a next second list. So this will be in for this it will be index 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 we get 40, 60. Now we will go for the 40 will be like 0 index. So creating 0. Now we are assigning here 50 value. What does mean is that we are on this third indexation based on the 0 index, that is the means index was 3 was a full element 40, 60, and that on this third index in the this element 0 index is the zero index. So on this particular element, we are assigning the 50 value. Okay, so we have change a modification here. So now we will print LST, that it means original list. You see that instead of the initial of the 40, now it is coming the 50. Okay, and if we made any changes to the original list, it will also reflect to the copy list, what we have made copy here. So like print hello list. Okay, so yeah, this is the, so means if we have in the means simple copy means if I are doing any modification, so either the original list or the copy list, it will also reflect to the same so it means we can say like vice versa. If we are in the simple term, if we are making any changes to original list, it will also reflect to the uh, copied list. I hope it is clear. Now we will go further like deep copy. So deep copy is nothing that it create a copy of object and element of the object as well. So it, and if we are making any modification to original list, it does not impact to the copied list. So let's go here. Suppose I am creating a different LST1 is equal to 45, 78, 90, and create a second list like 30, 100. Okay, and deep copy LST is equal to copy dot deep copy, pass the variable and LST1. Okay, now we will print LST1. Now we'll print our deep copy variable. So like okay, so it is coming. Suppose if we are changing a modification in the original list, like list 1, instead of 100, we want to set like 200. So what? So index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. For this will be 3 index, and let me show LST1 comma square bracket 3. So this whole element will become, and we want to change modification for this element. So for this index will be 0 and 1. So like we give 1 and it's equal to 200. Okay, and we want to print original list. If you see that here the modification is done, but it does not impact to the deep copy list. Deep copy list. So it is a intact same as a like so what the changes is made in that will be remain same. So it does if any changes is done in the original list, it does not impact to the deep copy list. So by using the copy dot deep copy, I hope this is clear. The difference between the like shallow copy and the deep copy, and that's all. If